Speaking of Scott and how he ruined his career, but now is back and he went on a whole podcast. So Bori took it to Twitter to say that the podcast, the senior, is messing up with our
Bori
brain.
makangasiqheli susiqhela Fondini yep. Susiqhela kakubi wena. Susiqhela wena. When we were speaking about his album, what was that album? The Rough Dance, we're speaking about the song that Tattoo Hearts that is trending. We went hard on it and we gave all the credit to it. Don't use the podcast when it's available for you and suitable for you, and then when shit hits the fan and now podcasts are bad. We didn't interview Scott. Did you interview Scott?
No.
They don't come to us because we bad podcast, right? They go to LT. LT is like podcast is like SABC interview.
It's
right?
calm.
It's very corporate. He went there and spoke shit on his own.
No, but I don't think he was entirely talking about
the Scott
situation.
My man, for me, it's stuck. If you say podcast, you're a podcaster. Why are you speaking about podcast and chill? You're speaking about spreading humors. You're speaking about El Tito's podcast or Piano Pulse. You said, be specific.
Be specific. Yeah, who you talking to?
Because this is also a form of a hustle for us, right? He's hustling. Yeah, now he has a lot to deal with. He must deal with Shebe. Don't tell us what to do, my man. You don't have the power to tell us what to do. We're going to beef again. We were good. You see, you're coming for podcasters will come for you. Don't do that.
So
don't do that.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Usifiso comes for DJ Maphorisa ngemva kwestatement lewasenda whereby he wrote on Twitter wabhala ngokuthi the podcast difaka pa dibek tsa rona. I wish they knew the damages they are causing emotionally and financially. Marafed, he was saying ukuthi podcasters are ruining their bags, and he wish ukuthi they knew the damage labayenda kwempelweni tabo. But again, it's okay. This is after akutrending zabaya Scotsma attitude, after people said ukuthi awune attitude akanandzaba nema-fans akhe, unemona akafuna ukuthatha ama-pictures nema-fans akhe. Waya lapha ku-podcast ya-LT where he said ukuthi he doesn't owe anyone anything, yena unempilo yakhe, so angeke abhizi ahlala thathana ama-pictures nebantu. So nje wakhuluma nokuthi he's where he is because of himself, not because of people. Like he was just saying ukuthi njena yena akancenga umuntu ngatiphilela. So people were fuming after that interview, saying ukuthi that guy is very disrespectful, uyadzelela, akakhombisi nokutisola. So people started saying ukuthi he must be cancelled. People started giving him space, maka perform abangamnaki. People were giving him a moment of silence maka performer. So waqina ke yaqolisela isikole maphuma sandlula lapho. So Usifiso is now saying ukuthi uMaphorisa uyasangana. Why akhuluma ukuthi the podcaster dithiya the bag tsabo, why angathi ukuthi uguy lo uScott's attitude bekumele agade ilimi lakhe. No one said ukuthi akakhulume le nto ekhulumile, no one forced him ngokuthi akhulume. Akusina i-interviewer LT lo lembudile yena utikhulumele ngalesikhathi LT that uzama kuyicontrola kuyibeka kahle inkulumo yakhe ibe right, yena loku avula umlomo akhuluma into leti phambene. So angathi the podcasters as if like bamfostile ukuthi akakhulumile lo lakukhulumile, or as if like like LT ukhulume something le yena ngayishongo utikhulumele yena ngemlomo wakhe. So people are saying ukuthi now you are coming for DJ Maphorisa, utakukhomba DJ Maphorisa koqala nje uligwala. Siyakhumbula ukuthi Sizwe Alkaline wakudela lapho wathuka ulokubuka isilingi, ulokutenda ngathi awukhumbula, utenda ngathi une-amnesia wakabosne. So people are saying ukuthi nyalo yakhuluma because he is not there. Uyokufikela lapho studio uMaphorisa uyobuka utenda ke ngathi awusakhumbula lokubheka etulu ulokutenda ngathi uyaqabanga into lengekho. Siyakhumbula shem ukuthi Sizwe Alkaline yo Nkosi yami, he was so scared. like he was so scared kokuthi yabona ukuthi uthukile ukuthi man lo mfana lona utongishaya utongintani sekayisenzi or sekahawulisa yobekahawulisa that day. So nyalo uqala phansi futhi uqala amapholisa. People are saying ukuthi wena khuteka. So some people are even saying ukuthi they are waiting for Phori's life because they know ukuthi Phori will always clap back kuma live. Siyale ukuthi ma live amapholisa, guys, do not skip a live ya DJ Maphorisa because they are hilarious. Uthi Langelihle Ndaba, now I can't wait for Phori's live. Uthi Mambovu uSifiso uzophika njalo mase uPhori efika lapho. Uthi Enhle Mbali ukhuluma ngoPhori so awukhonahali. So people know ukuthi uto responda uDJ Maphorisa after what uSifiso has said about him lapha ku live. We know for sure ukuthi there's a live coming at DJ Maphorisa where he'll be clapping back at what Sifiso is saying about him lapha ku live. And he didn't even say ukuthi hey hlampe i-podcast lerona mabheke bantu hlampe i-Piano Pulse or le Mac G. Like he didn't specify, he didn't say. There are so many podcasters lapha ngaphandle, but yena nguye nje lo decide ukuthi responde to what uDJ Maphorisa said atidonsele nje mkhokha. Sometimes ngwatfaki nje thinking le ngwahlangani nato yekela umuntu akhuluma into la ayikhulumile just because now we are doing lokhu umuntu la khuluma ngakho. It doesn't mean ukuthi usho wena like he didn't name any podcast azangathi i-podcast yabo Sifiso i-Piano Pulse or like he didn't even mention ukuthi hlambe podcast ya Altito. Like he didn't mention any name. Yet uSifiso yena has the nerve yokumdrega ku live. And Sifiso makakhuluma ngebantu lapha ku live yathi ukhuluma with pride and confidence, umbone nje ukuthi akasabi lutho. But labantu masebafike lapha abantu omconference lokho abheka isilinga lokwabuka etulu ngathi akasakhumbuli kahle, so uphethe amnesia, uyaqabanga uzama ukukhumbula. And uThagi, what we noticed like le podcast le or like le Google episode le ukuthi uThagi was quiet and bekangavumelani naye. Bantu felt ukuthi why Thagi athula angakhuluma angafakazi anything. It's a red flag because we know ukuthi Thagi nguye lo khuluma kakhulu. Why abayelekele le nkulumo ayasifiso lena, why angafuni ukuthi fakaza because ufuna ukuthi makufika Phori lapha angamfaki or athi hayi mina angishongo nangu umuntu lokhulumile. So people are saying ukuthi hey wena Sifiso vala mlomo because you know ukuthi ulugwala. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.